Hello there. So what I want to do in this video is I just wanted to clear up a couple of things. One is that I see quite a few comments, not on my videos, but I've seen them in chat, especially in the Avarice Telegram chat about YouTubers that get referrals and that it's diluting the platform. So one thing you've got to understand is that when we put out a video, firstly, we're bringing in a lot more people to the platform, so that means obviously a lot more BNB into the auction. Now, that's all fair enough, and that's a great thing. But here's the key factor too, which a lot of YouTubers don't do, and that is continue to put BNB in the auction. Okay, now to me, if I'm getting referral bonuses daily, from people using my referral link, I feel obligated to support the platform by adding BNB every day into the auction. Okay, that to me is a no-brainer, and it's just moralistically right. You can, go in hard for the first couple of days, and then, that's all very well. But if you're not a YouTuber, but if you're a YouTuber and you're getting referrals every day, you're literally, if you're not putting back into that auction, you are literally restaking those and taking BNB from other people without contributing. And I don't care what you say and what excuse you come up with. That is the fact of the matter. So unfortunately, there is a lot of people out there that just don't really give a shit about platforms and about the community. They say they do, but at the end of the day, they move from one to another, make another YouTube video on another one, and just get referrals from that, and they just keep going. I'm not pointing out anyone in particular, but I'm sure if you're smart enough, you can work out who they are, right? And to me, it's wrong. If you are going to be getting referrals and money from that, you need to put back into the platform consistently, not just once or twice, or the first 3 or 4 days, or the first 5 days, and then stop. So I want to show you what I do, okay? Just to clear up what I do personally, because I feel that I'm obligated to do it. All right. So what I do is I've got a group, a Discord group, which you can see here, and I've got a channel in there. And what I do is I get people that use my referral. I get them to post a screenshot of the transaction and then their referral link. And what I do is I do 5 a day, because if you don't know, you can only use one referral link a day per account. So what I've had to do is I've had to create 5 different MetaMask accounts, okay? And I can show you that here. If we go up here, this is Team 2 that I've got an example here, but if I come here, you can see Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4, Team 5, okay? So I have got 5 teams plus my own one, my own account, all right? So I've got 5 accounts that I use specifically for referrals for people, okay? Giving back to the people and the platform, because every day I go in, you can see here, every day, I started this on the 5th day. Every day I go in with 0.2 BNB into the auction, and I use a person's referral from here. For example, this one will match with that one, okay? And then this will be team. So for example, if I go to, Team 1, that would match with this. Team 2 would match with the next one, that one. Team 3 would match with the next one. Okay, so that's how I do it. So I basically do 5 referrals per day with the 5 different accounts, and I put 0.2 BNB per account, which equates to 1 BNB per day. Okay, so I'm always adding 1 BNB per day back into the platform. All right. And then on my main account, I also add 0.5 BNB every day. So if we go back to my main account here, passive is key is one, and I'll just refresh the page here. Okay, you can see that I started off with 10, 10, 5, okay, and then this is when I started adding the 0.2 on the other accounts, okay, so I've gone down, but like here I went in with 5 BNB because I had some extra BNB, so I went into the auction. But it's always 0.5 on my main account, and always an accumulation of 1 BNB from all the other 5 accounts. So I'm always putting in every day 1.5 BNB. All right, back in the platform. Now I believe that if I'm getting referral tokens from other people, I have an obligation to support the platform. I'm not trying to rip it off. I'm not trying to take advantage of it. Being a YouTuber with referrals, I want to give back as much as I can, because the goal is to make everyone passive free, right? Not just me, everybody. So you can see here that I've got 72,000 in referral bonus tokens. Now that's a lot, okay? But you can see how many I've collected. All right, and here is my auction entries, 41.5 BNB I've put in, plus the 2.6 times 5, because 2.6 BNB is accumulated from each of those 5 accounts. So now that's a total of 13 BNB. So 13 plus that, 41.5 equals, so that's how much, 54.5 BNB I've put into the platform. Okay, if we go to staking, and come down right to the bottom, my BNB divs are 45. Okay, so I've put in more. All right, so I just wanted to, you can see here, my all-time staked is here. Okay, so I've staked a lot. I've got a lot of tokens. All right, 72,000 of those are from referrals. So I feel like I've got an obligation to put back. So look, this video was, it's not a rant. But like, look, if you're a YouTuber and you're going to be taking referrals from people, give back to the damn platforms, you know. You're obligated to do it. And like, if you're going to show videos on any platform, like this one, for example, that shows you went in for 5 days and then you haven't put anything into the auction for the next 10, and you're still getting referrals and staking those every day and making money, making BNB off those every day, not a good thing. All right. So anyway, that's just my take on that. I just wanted to make sure that people understand that don't class me with all the others. I know there's probably a lot like me that are doing it like me, but there's a lot that aren't, okay? So don't put me in that category with people that don't put back and are diluting the platform with referral tokens, because then you could also say that I'm diluting the platform with BNB, because that's what I put it in every day. All right, so Avarice is looking good. Everything's good. And yes, the auctions are down a little bit, but hey, the market's down a lot. So the thing is that you just stay consistent with this. And everything will work out. It'll pan out. Avarice is a great platform. It's got a great team, and it'll be a good future with it. So just stick with it. You'll be fine. Have yourselves a great day. See you in the next one.